Capricorn and Bunker groups encompass 22 reefs straddling the Tropic of Capricorn at the Great Barrier Reef's southern end. And it's a pelagic paradise. I'm with boat wrap designer Corey and king of the kitchen, top chef Paul, ready to troll for mackerel. But just so many fish just busting up, throwing a jig in amongst it. It'll get taken by something. Revolution rod working overtime. Could be a mackerel. Oh.
Oh yeah. Big shark. Sharky mackerel.
They're a good looking fish. Sharky mackerel.
Beautiful.
There we go.
Colours in.
Shark mackerel are usually caught trolling lures,